gin. Got a bad little bit count Benjamin girl always born to win. Got a shit in the trunk like an elephant. Yeah. Sipping on water is elegant. Got what you need, I'm scaling it. Water again, get hit again. 762, go through your skeleton. Hell no, don't test.
Yeah, man, we just got done washing the whips though. Just a nice little self-care day for the V's. You see the cars back there. Nice little self-care day, man. We got them out here looking right. You feel me? We got them out here looking right. Got them out here looking right. Yeah, man, you need to watch, man. Come check us out. Come check us out. Hit me on Facebook. Hit me on Snapchat. Hit me on Instagrams. Hit me on Twitters. Hit me on Tagged. Hit me on the Monkey app.
Wait, what? Wait a minute. I'm only on Tinder.
You say he only on I'm on Bumble. I'm on Black People Meet.
Bumble? Nah, fuck Bumble. What's that other one, bro? Fuck
But
it.
yeah,
Find me
man.
on Craigslist.
On Craigslist. But nah, we just washed the whips though. You feel me? We all out here looking right. Wicker Bill. Oh, that bit clean. Oh, that bit clean. Nice wash day. You said what?
Your button on the side. I'll bet you in the middle.
What button?
This one.
You know that was a trunk button?
What?
Wait a minute.
I swear to God, I did. Thought that was a trunk button. I swear I did. I sit here, I popped it for you. I'm like, man, can he get in? Bro, what?
Mine in the middle. Bro, look at this shit. Come on now.
It's a trunk monkey.
What did he say?
He popping everybody trunk. He a trunk monkey.
Hey, yo.
What do you mean by that?
A few moments later.
Well, we finished washing the cars. Now we're trying to put
All right,
this down
stickers come
tail
out.
light
Busy,
thing
get your
on.
ass over here.
What?
My fault. I didn't even say it like that.
Out the cap.
All right. Why I gotta put it on?
You the hood mechanic.
Bro, I can't no
You the
little
hood
side
mechanic.
toes. Fuck with you. Alright, do we need this or what?
I think we are gonna need a squeegee.
Yo.
Paper cut.
yo.
Like I said to your dumb ass, bro, we're gonna have to put one on top and one on the motherfucking bottom.
We trying to install these though.
I'ma stick it
These tail light tents.
Yeah, look at bitch.
I'ma stick it there for now.
Oh my God. Hell.
You wanna argue with the video?
Vincent, wouldn't this shit make more sense? Bring the camera here, bro. He trying to put it like this. Wouldn't it make more sense to have it like?
Nigga wanna
What did
argue
we
with
say?
the video.
What did we say? Like this, bro?
Something like that.
Yeah. Wait.
Nigga
Hold
wanna
on.
argue with the video.
Hey, hold on. You might be on something. You might be on something. Hold on. Look at this shit. Go
I gotta put this on.
Yeah, y'all. I don't know, man. This is what it's supposed to look like, though. It's supposed to be an X.
We might heat gun.
We's puzzle guys.
Oh, look. I need you to hold.
Break my knees.
This is what I was thinking type shit. Start from the inside, nigga.
Line it up with the trim.
Yeah.
Shit won't stay.
Take a look at the PF.
Anybody got a heat gun?
Hell no.
What the fuck? Stop playing.
Damn.
That shit will not stay.
Like it's gonna stick.
It's gonna stick.
But it's just got. We need it to stretch.
I don't want it to be wrinkly enough.
Yeah.
That's why I said we probably gonna go on a heat gun.
Does anybody have a heat gun? I know anybody with a heat gun?
They gave us extra ones, right?
No, we got to.
I mean, we don't need all of these. Like,
Yes, sir.
Like,
Call
look.
Lou.
you're like, all right, you fucked up. Here's an extra one.
Call Lou.
Do we have another DF? Hell no.
I see DTs.
DF right there, DF right there.
But do we need 2 of them hoes?
Why would we need 2?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
So y'all think should we use the heat gun?
I think we should
Use
just.
the heat gun, Vincent?
I mean, we got them for free.
Yeah, should we just fuck around with it? Why don't we not do the curve first? You know what I'm saying? Like, why don't we
He didn't even use the heat gun.
So it's just your.
I say we put the X's on first.
Okay.
I bet we got it for free. Let's just.
You talking about we got it for free?
Wait, so it starts up here. It don't start right here.
No. That's over here.
Listen, lose your attitude, sir.
I will be at it. I will have my.
Aren't you
I
supposed
will
to be at
be
class?
scientific.
It's 4:30.
Yeah.
He's supposed to be at class.
Yeah.
Alright,
Actually,
so shut the fuck
at
up.
5 o'clock. I'll be leaving at 4:45. So my services are limited.
A few moments later.
Wait, hold on.
What?
Do I do this part or is it?
My God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Why am I gonna black out? Wait, hold on. Does this shit turn on?
Yeah.
Where are my keys at? Yeah.
What the fuck? Y'all, we out here puzzled, man. Alright, y'all. As you can see, we kind of getting somewhere with it. Right side almost done. Still got a lot left to go, though.
All one clear is it two?
What?
You think this is like all for this one thing, or you think we could make 2 out of it?
I think probably just one. Fuck, let's call him. I don't know who the fuck this is.
Did we cover
But-
this at all on this side?
What?
Is it gonna cover this? The white?
Not too far.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
keep going at an angle. Yeah, keep going at an angle.
Type shit. Okay, bet.
Yeah. Keep going at an angle. It's not gonna cover it all the way. It might go in there a little bit, cause you know we doing it ourselves and shit. You know, hood mechanics and
Ain't
shit.
no professionals. Trust us with your car and your money. I ain't gonna lie.
You're in good hands.
Facts, you're great hands. Cam tone. What is it called? We could fix the torque on your car.
Hey man, you need a tuner? I got you. Spark plugs?
Rim job.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? What do you mean by that?
That nigga crazy, bro. He like, you, bro, I got you, bro. I'm gonna give you a rim job. What you mean? You gonna give me a rim job? What you talking about? What you talking about?
Something ain't right.
Nah, it's good. Oh, you see that?
Damn. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, peel it up a little bit. My God.
What, do I got to curve it like this?
No.
How far is it supposed to go? Hold on, let me repeat the picture type shit.
Nah, cause see.
Nah, see, it ain't supposed to cover it. Fuck. I think we did the wrong one. Nah? What do we do on this side? Let me.
You gonna take it up?
Thought about cutting it. See, I think that's supposed to.
That was probably the bottom. Cause look at this one.
Hey, Vincent, we need that video, big dog.
We need that video, Vince.
Oh, hell.
We need that video, man.
What the fuck, man?
A few moments later.
That's the real Uncle Ruckus. He called you a monkey.
Yeah. You think you can send me that video real quick?
Yeah, I got you.
Like real quick. Like I know you driving type shit, but like.
I got
Safely but fast.
I got you.
Cause we on one part right now. We stuck.
I got you.
Okay. It is for the Mopar what?
There you go.
You stupid.
Hey, what are we? The Mopar what?
Mopar monkeys.
What did you say? Oh, come on, man.
You talking that yang shit. Dumb ass motherfucker.
Kids watching this.
All right, bro. Get safe. You there safe.
I sent it. Did you get it?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
I think it might have been a track.
All right, y'all. Right side's done.
I swear to God, I did.
We're gonna see what the final product look like after we finish this left side. But yeah, man. Rate this on the complicated scale. As you can see, he just threw the squeegee. Complicated scale is definitely 170.
They called me a monkey on camera.
Damn, that's racist.
He ain't lying.
Wait, did Kev pop out? W-Kev?
W-Cab.
W-Kev. Kev, you need a wash, bro. You ain't getting no wash.
I need a wash, bro. That shit dirty. That's embarrassing.
Shit, do it before you leave, bro.
Yes, bro. Bucket right here. What you waiting on?
The heat to go away.
The heat? Bro, the carport don't got no heat. You got shade over there.
I do got shade in there.
Yeah, what you waiting on, Kev? Go ahead, man. I still got my brush over there drying off. Huh?
I don't got $20.
You need my help, bro. I got you, bro. Hood mechanic at your service.
Kev, hold the camera. Alright,
Los Santos Custom. This is what I did last time. Like, I went like with an angle type shit. So like I had it like kind of cornered like this. You see how I'm lining up the top type shit. So I just had it go like that.
Hit a credit card. Stolen, by the way.
Stolen. Yep.
Stolen.
It's a blank. You feel me?
Yeah, I ghosted it for a reason. For the video.
What did he say?
Yeah. It's Punch Made Breeze.
This is Punch Made Breeze.
Yeah. So
Hey, look, if somebody ever give you these shits for the free ski,
it's a setup.
it's
damn
a
it.
setup.
Don't take that shit.
Hell nah. Hey, I say it was good Kev, bro. Where you at, tall nigga? Bro, look, I can't even see his ass on the ground.
Yeah, vlog. Damn, it's too bright.
Is it better now? Not you.
Kev don't like being on camera.
I love the camera.
You know, I used to be camera shy, but I'm not anymore.
Really?
Not after I started making movies.
What do you mean by that? Hey, yo!
Camera shot.
Fuck you, bitch.
I don't think it's all the way in there, bro. Like the squeegee not getting it all the way stuck.
You might have to hand job.
My God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Yo, what did he say?
Hey, what did he say?
What did he say?
Kev, am I saying this right?
What did he say?
is.
Los what?
Es lo que es.
Los pollos?
How do I say it is what it is in Spanish? Es
Fuck, how do
lo
you say
que
that
es. Es lo que es.
Dominican.
Dominican?
Es lo
you a
que
nigga?
es. You know,
You talk about Dominican. Oh, it's a nigga.
Nigga, bro. Us Dominicans won't claim we black for some reason. I don't know why.
well,
He ain't lying.
shit,
you think? I
it
think
don't
that
matter.
shit- I
I'd
think that's
slave
the
you
best.
regardless.
What?
What did he
Look,
say?
you're 6'8" and black. I'm
How
slave.
much would I sell for back in the day? 20 bucks?
No,
Nah,
no.
bro,
I ain't gonna
definitely
lie.
not.
I would trade you for 3 or 4 people.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Word?
But you gotta think, them niggas was worth 3/5 back then. So
I
really,
would've- bro, nah, bro. I would have made Kev a fighter, bro. Look how tall he is. I would have made him a fighter.
yeah,
man.
bruh. If we was in Greek times, I'm putting you on a horse and you're not losing, bruh.
You jousting, bro.
Yeah, no cap.
On the chariot.
Alright.
Left
Josh
side.
right now
though.
with the cars.
This is a GTA server, by the way.
Oh, word?
None of this is
Nah,
real.
that shit ain't real at all.
Oh, say less.
If that's the case, I got a gun in my pocket.
What did he say?
RPG, nigga.
RPG.
You gonna be mad when I pull out my minigun, bitch. Fuck.
You ain't see I got the blank right there, bro. Y'all, what y'all trying to? I'm about to buy me some parts with the blank.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. If you guys know any stolen vehicles, hit me up, alright?
What you mean? You know one? It's right there, to the right of you.
Chop chop.
Holy shit, it's stolen?
Yeah, stolen.
Dude, all these shits are stolen.
Fucking stroke it, bro.
You think I have
Don't
money?
show my plate, it's stolen.
Hey, yo!
You think I have money to buy a car?
No, I'm broke too, nigga. Chill.
I work 2 days a week, big dog. You think I
2
have money
days.
for this?
Where you
Wait,
from?
you have a job? I don't even have a job.
Yeah,
I don't even know what a
yeah,
job is.
Wait, hold on.
A J.O.B.?
No, wait, listen. It's like a job, but it's not real. You know what I'm saying?
What's the job?
I go in there to volunteer, so I get paid like 45 cents an hour.
When I say job, it's disgusting to me.
Disgusted with jobs.
This is my religion to work.
This forgets his religion to fucking work. I'm about to cross over, bro.
Crossover?
Yeah.
Where?
Well, I don't know. Whatever religion he is, I don't know.
Hold
I'm
on.
playing with, man. My car clean.
Dick and balls.
Hey, yo!
Or dick and butt. Hey, what that mean, dude? Your ass got a dick and butt card. Fuck you. That's crazy.
Shit's looking fire though.
Woo! What the hell going on with your dog?
Yeah, they can't get in neither.
We did the left side right and the right side partially.
Look. What? Yeah, my boy.
Shit hard, bro. Nobody got this shit, bro. Nobody. This is like 1-on-1.
Hey, turn the lights on.
You gotta flip the.
Turn them. It's an X though.
It's an X for sure, but we need to flip this one right here. But the left side's perfect though.
Yeah, the left one's
The left side's perfect. X'd out Louis V. You're still gonna be able to see it, just not all the way on it. It doesn't look as naked no more though. Damn, bro, you so tall, bro. It's a shadow like right here, like on his face.
Hey, fuck you, nigga. Tall ass.
You want my real ass opinion?
Yes.
This shit ugly as fuck.
Alright.
I ain't gonna hold you, they fucked up.
Yeah, are these easy to pull off?
Yeah, with a little wide.
Do I want them or not?
I think it goes hard.
Dodge?
Yeah.
Dude, I think I know what brand my car is.
No, it was baton clear.
Man, let's debadge, bro. Let's put Ford right there.
Nah,
Let's put GT, bro.
Honda.
GT right there in the middle.
I should spell dick with it, right?
No.
What did he say?
Dude, I didn't realize how easy these things pop off.
Yeah, so we just gotta swap this
I want to
side.
debadge the Hemi though.
I'm about to
Pick
take
this.
the E off and then I'll say Doge.
Doge Cat
Yup.
Fuck
or
that.
Doge Coin?
I hate
Yeah,
those.
both. But whichever one comes first, honestly.
Whichever one comes first.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Yeah, you got this installed to a T, don't you?
What is 2 a T?
You nigga, you T.
I ain't know.
You know how you ain't never heard that? Well, that saying,
I
you
have
dot
one.
your I's and cross your T's.
Eyes across my.
Guess he ain't doing none of that.
Oh shit.
No, nigga.
Wait, nah, cause look, an eye goes like this, right?
Dot your I's and cross your T's.
Nigga, I'm the
Oh,
alphabet.
dot your eyes and cross your T's. So what does that mean?
Cross your T.
That means finish your job.
2 a T.
Yeah, you are the T, nigga.
Yeah. What? Well, how does 2 a T? Alright, let's say that bitch is your type 2 a T. What does that mean?
Oh no.
You talking that yang shit. Dumb ass motherfucker.
We got it X'd up though. We fucked up, but we got it fixed right here on the right
What that
side.
nigga Des Bryant say?
X man. Taillight install / self-care day, man. Got the headlights on though. Boy Kev pulled up, man. W Kev in the chat. She's still dirty though. He need to wash her. This goofy pulled up right here in between on some weird shit. Cause why? Then you see the bump bill right there. You feel me? Let's see what the final product look like though with the lights on. That shit fire, bro. That bitch fire. That shit fire. That man got off for sure.
Like I always said, bro, the power of things is unnatural.
I'm going to car page.
Finally got it, bro. We got it fixed up. This is what the final product look like. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Shit fire.
Kevin, say that shit one fucking time. I don't back no doubt. I might be a little bigger than you, but I don't back no doubt. Yo, why he sad, yo?
Okay, bye.